Hey everybody, welcome back. Harbor Freight Black Friday has finally put on their website their flyer for the next week, the Black Friday sale. And as you can see here in the blue and black banner, this is going to be an Inside Track Club event starting next Monday, the 24th of November through Wednesday, the 26th of November. Inside Track Club members only for those 3 days. Thursday, the 27th, is everyone available, but it's online only. So you can only shop online on Thursday. The physical stores are going to be closed. And then Friday, the 28th to December 1st, Monday, it's a free for all. Anybody can take advantage of whatever is left. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen. These sales, generally, the Inside Track Club people close out and blow out all of the high value items. It's just unfortunately the way it is. They're trying to get people to join Inside Track Club. I get it. It makes sense to me. It's their marketing way. It's their new version of the free coupon that they were doing years ago. And I actually kind of support it because if you're shopping enough at Harbor Freight to make use of some of these sales, then you should be an Inside Track Club member because you will save money. Now, if you're a casual shopper looking for these $2 and $3 items, the sale doesn't mean that much to you, so just go in whenever and buy whatever you're going to buy. But anyway, here's the sale. The flyer is 6 pages long on the website. The physical copy is 4 pages. I just think they shrunk some stuff up to save paper on the printout, so not a big deal there. There is some stuff in different places on the printout compared to the online one. Every page is going to have a yellow banner at the top and at the bottom. These yellow banners generally have low-cost items that they're throwing at you there. And I'm just going to touch on the yellow banners and let you read them yourselves. You can go to the website now and find this. Actually, it's harborfreight.com/catalogs will get you this. So let's move past the yellow banners. Here are the 4 big ticket items. Unlike the other big box stores, Harbor Freight does not do the BOGO like all of Lowe's and Home Depot do. But they do have 4 pretty impressive in-store only, very first thing to notice there, sales. 40% off Icon ratchets. So all of Icon ratchets are on sale 40% off. And as you can see, Icon ratchets they're premium ratchets, so they're between $40 and $75. So, this $119 one here, you're going to get $40 off of that, So it's a great sale, to be perfectly honest with you. Let me close that. And, it's all of their Icon ratchets. My assumption is Monday night, most of those ratchets will be gone. The Inside Track people are going to come in and buy them up. Same for 30% off the Daytona jacks. Now, these may not blow out as fast as the ratchets because, 1, the jacks are more expensive, and 2, not everybody needs multiple jacks, and a lot of people already have them. But if you are in the market for one of these Daytona jacks, now's the time to grab them. They're just going to be 30% off, and they will probably sell quite a few of them. The third item is the Apache cases. I use a couple of these. I use this size here, the 4800, and I use it for my camera gear, and they're great for that. They're literally great for that. But any other option you have, these are great cases. They're very waterproof. The foam pulls out to let you fit what you want to put in them. Like I said, for me, it's cameras. Obviously they're showing guns in a lot of these, which is their actual use, I believe. But 30% off is a good price for these cases. And then what doesn't seem like that big of a deal, but I think is a great sale, 40% off the Hardy gloves. I mean, the Hardy gloves range between like $1.99 and like maybe $12 for their best gloves. I would go in and just scarf off all of the gloves you need for the season. Winter is coming. If you go through a quality pair of like these leather gloves and say a 10-pack of the other things, the cheaper gloves, like these polyethylene coated gloves. A pair is $2.49. I got a 10 pack of these gloves at Home Depot for $8. So that might be a better way to go for these. But Hardy gloves are good gloves. I've worn them now for years, and I buy a pair each year for winter. And I usually buy something like this here, these mechanics gloves, something that has a little bit. I use them for my winter gloves, to be honest with you. And they're good gloves, and you can get 40% off. So if you need 2 or 3 pair to get you through the year, it's a great time to go get all of the gloves you'll need for this season. Now, moving down on all of the pages, we are going to have some sales. And if you noticed, they've changed some things here. We're going to have some generators, and we're going to have a power station here, a battery solar generator. I think they call these things now. This one probably will take solar. But the generator is a 13,000 watt tri-fuel generator for less than $1,000 is freaking ridiculous. I mean, that's a great price. You can see here your mini steel toolboxes. They were on sale earlier for $14.99 for the black, blue, and red, and $18.99 for the other colors. Now the 3 new colors are $15, and the other ones are down to $13. So if you're into these little toolboxes, grab yourself a couple. They'll probably blow them out early in the week as well. The 5-drawer mechanics cart is down to the $200 price, which is, I've seen it go to $189 before, but that's a pretty good price anymore. I don't know if it's ever going to go that low again. And then, on the bottom row here, we have more of the $15 and other yellow badge things. So let's go to the next page. Okay, so on this page, we have more of your yellow items. Some of these things you can see were on sale earlier in the yellow items. There's again, flashlights, inexpensive tools were under $22 is the lowest price up there. No big deal. We have your Yukon and your US General cabinets. These cabinets are very well made, and I have the 5-drawer. I don't have room for any other, or I would have more, because they are great. We are now looking at the automotive section here a little bit. We have a rather large mechanics set here for $100, 225 pieces. Let me click on that. I'm assuming this is Pittsburgh, but I don't even see a brand on here, so I don't know who made this. It's got to be their lower end brand. I use the Pittsburgh brand of mechanics tools, which is this set here. I don't have this big set. I buy things like this from them, and that's for in my car. In my basement, in my shop, I have a set of Quinn tools, but not this big set. I just don't need all of those. If you're in the automotive field, this set for $300 is probably a very good set to run after. We have the cement mixers. We have the paving thing. I mean, this is a higher priced item if you're into doing a lot of pavers. Again, a Quinn torque wrench. If you're really into mechanics, that's something you might want to pick up. The vise, I use the Doyle Carpenter's woodworking vise all of the time, and it's just really good quality. If you need a 6-inch swivel vise like this one, I would say that I've looked at it in the store. It's very good quality. I would not steer you wrong there. A couple other tools, automotive related, and a big old wall breaking hammer drill here. On the bottom, we have a couple of Hercules cases that are off in price. I've used a few of the Voyager cases that Harbor Freight has that we might see later in this thing that work well for me. All right, page 3. Again, up here we have more yellow stuff. Again, knives, funnels, inexpensive stuff. No reason to go to the store for the yellow banners, guys. You pick that stuff up because you're in the store. We have a couple of the lower priced floor jacks. Now, these are not the Daytonas, but they are the Pittsburgh brand. And, I don't do enough automotive work to even need this jack. But if you're an infrequent automotive user, maybe this is the type jack you want to grab. If you're really doing a motor, you can buy this motor thing for $80, do your motor, and resell it. Probably not a bad idea. All kinds of automotive stuff here. That stool looks very comfortable and sturdy. $100? I don't know. I don't need anything in the line of um, these winches, but this winch looks very good for $149. All automotive here, guys. You're going to notice that this sale is mostly automotive and homeowner. This bottom row is homeowner stuff. Ladder, hand truck, scaffolding, and a pretty heavy duty looking cart for the house. Moving on to page 4. Again, we'll quickly look at the yellow stuff, tarps and a flag. It is what it is. Inexpensive stuff. Actually, there's one very heavy duty 9mm tarp up there they want $100 for. That must be a very heavy duty tarp. Anyway, we're getting into the Predator. The inverter generators, the non-inverter generators. We have quite a few Predator things here. Predator is really doing well for themselves. I think Harbor Freight's made a mark in the generator market. I do believe there is a use case to grab one of these. You own a RV, it'll run your RV, most of these things. And then the welding. They also have quite a few different welders here. You know, the titanium, everybody says the titanium 125 amp welder is the one to get over the Flux 125 welder from you know, our favorite old Chicago Electric here. I kind of agree with that. You know, the old Chicago Electric stuff day has come and it's kind of gone. I would go for the titanium there. If you need a bigger welder, they have them. They have quite a few welders in the shop and welding accessories as well. And another banner of yellow stuff with flashlights and cable ties and stuff. Moving on to page, what are we on, 5 here. More yellow stuff, not really interested. You know, some cutoff wheels, some bits and stuff here. A rapid charger for Bauer, it looks like. I'm assuming that says Bauer. It's red. It's got to be Bauer. You know, $20 for a charger. That's not bad if you're needing a second one. Now, finally, we get into something that might be for my channel. If you found me here because you want to know about this sale, I'm giving you the whole sale, but this is a woodworking channel, so most of my regular subscribers are probably going to be interested in this page. One thing I see you can get here is 2 Hercules 20 volt 5 amp hour batteries for less than $100. That's a pretty good deal. Now, you know, we know the big box stores are doing a 2-pack of batteries for $100 and you can pick a free tool. They're not doing that here that I can tell. It's just not the way Harbor Freight does things. And maybe I'll be surprised and we'll find something later down in this sale. A random onward sander for $40 is, you know, that's probably an okay price. I want to say the Ryobis are normally around that price, so, well, it is what it is there. Quite a few Bauer tools. The 10-inch drill press for $140 is a pretty darn good price. And then you can get Bauer batteries down here as well. We got Hercules up there. We got Bauer down here. An 8 amp hour for $75. A 5 amp hour for $47, which is interesting to me because that's just about the same price as the 2 5 amp hours up here. You know, 47, 47 gets you right around at 94-ish. Think, you know, why they did this, but they cut off. Oh, you know, it's because I expanded it. Let me move it for you. It is not cut off. I apologize, Harbor Freight. Your website did not screw up. I did. A little bit more Bauer, a pruning saw. These little tools kind of, I just don't know. That blade is so, a 5-inch chainsaw, I just don't know. I mean, if you only have one small tree, I guess. And then the Atlas battery, and then your Portland stuff as well. And more stuff on the bottom. And the last page here gives us a little bit more yellow. There you go. You know what's up there now. You know what's there. And then you get your compressors. They have several compressors on sale, as they always do, and some air tools to go with them, including a Brad Naylor from the Bauer line if you are inclined to go that route. And then a little bit of painting, and I'm kind of sort of intrigued about this 50% off paint and stain sprayer by Avante. If anybody has used this, go ahead and comment below. Let us know how it is. I am intrigued by it. I'm going to start building some of the cedar fence picket flower planters, plant stands that you see all over the freaking YouTubes. And it might be easy to throw a coat of stain on them with this thing for a very limited price. So that's something I'm interested in. Anyway, guys, that's the 6 pages of their sale online. I will probably try to go to the store Monday morning, and if nothing else, see if I can pick up the Avante sprayer. Other than that, I don't know that I will be too heavily invested into this sale because, to be very honest, in my mind, it's more of a automotive sale, which is fine. Hey, the automotive people, it's a huge part of Harbor Freight. So if you are interested in automotives, this is probably a really good sale for you. Us woodworkers, I didn't see any of the table saws. I didn't see any of the sliding miter saws. We just got a couple of sanders, and that's about it. Very limited in the Bauer and the Bauer and Hercules line, which is what we mess with. We got some batteries and some sanders. Real limited for our site, but hey, the automotive people need their day too, and they're having a really good sale for them. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this made sense. I hope you like it. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.